Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Monopoly Go is not loading. So first of all, if the game crashes or you experience crashes during gameplay, if any case encounter crashes, we encourage you to do the following. Okay, first of all, you're gonna restart the game, by just starting the game, and second of all, restarting the device if you have any update or anything. So you can go ahead right here and restart the device from your phone. And third is which is closing other apps while playing the game. If you have multiple apps such as like this, try and close it all and just focus on the game. Next, update the game to the latest version. So if Monopoly Go has like many updates, or sorry, if it has update, you need to update it to the last version. We're gonna check on if it's needed to be updated, and as you can see right here, if you see the update button, try and update it. Okay, and first and last but not least, update to the latest iOS version. So if you experienced or felt that or saw after you check out that software needed to be updated, make sure that you update it to the latest version, or you will experience crashes, glitches, and so forth. And last but not least, I think we covered it all. But I would like to would like to bring to your attention that the battery percentage must be above 20% for iOS for a smoother game experience and never experience like a crash. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.